Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we are going to review the TEBNGIHNM 4K digital camera for photography with autofocus and 48MP. Before we dive in, if you're looking to buy this amazing camera, check the link below for the best price available today. Design and build quality. First off, the design of the TEBNGIHNM 4K digital camera is sleek and modern. It's lightweight, making it easy to carry around for all your photography adventures. The build quality feels robust and durable, ensuring it can withstand regular use without any issues. Image quality. The highlight of this camera is its 48MP sensor. The photos it captures are incredibly detailed and vibrant, with excellent color reproduction. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or macro shots, this camera delivers stunning results every time. 4K video recording. If you're into videography, you'll love the 4K video recording capability of this camera. The footage is sharp, clear, and professional looking. It's perfect for vloggers, YouTubers, or anyone looking to create high-quality video content. Autofocus. One of the standout features is the autofocus. It's fast and accurate, ensuring that your subjects are always in focus, even in dynamic shooting environments. This makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced photographers. Included SD card. The camera comes with an SD card included, so you can start shooting right out of the box. This is a great added value, saving you the hassle and expense of purchasing one separately. Ease of use. The TEBNGIHNM 4K digital camera is user-friendly, with intuitive controls and a straightforward interface. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro, you'll find it easy to navigate and use. Battery life. Battery life is another strong point. It provides ample shooting time on a single charge, ensuring you don't miss out on capturing those special moments. Conclusion. In conclusion, the TEBNGIHNM 4K digital camera for photography is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, versatile camera. With its 48MP sensor, 4K video recording, fast autofocus, and included SD card, it offers great value for money. If you're interested in this camera, don't forget to check the link below for the best price available today. Happy shooting!